Hi everyone! Today I want to show you the Uniaccessories USB-C 8-in-1 dock. This was a Kickstarter project which I backed up in Kickstarter, of course, and I backed up the dock version. This comes in two versions. It comes in a hub version and it comes with a dock version. And the difference are the ports. So I got the dock version, which has the most ports in it. We are seeing the back of the box here. Yeah, it has a micro SD slot and SD card slot, USB 2 USB 3.0 ports, one USB 2.0 port. It has an Ethernet port, HDMI port, and USB-C charging only port. So as you can see, this is the adapter that should be inside this box. And the reason I bought this is because I want to have some docks that allows me to use a lot of ports with just one USB. That's the purpose of having a dock. So opening the box, we can see that we have here you can see Kickstarter. It's just a card here, Uniaccessories USB-C 8-in-1 dock. Pretty much a simple card. And proceeding to opening it, you can see that the packaging is really simple. So once I see it, we can see that we have here the rubber band for the dock. We also see here that we have the cable, which also came out as I was taking stuff out. And following, we have the dock itself here. So it's pretty much a standard dock. It's a simple dock as well. So this seems to be another rubber band that we can use to change this one. Nice to have another color to change it. I don't know how this it's taken out. I think you have to do that. There we go. It goes out, and then we can simply insert the new rubber band here to the dock so that we can change it and we can personalize it as well. There we go. So this is the dock, and now let's start seeing the docks. So I mean the ports. We have here the USB 2.0 port, we have the Ethernet gigabit port, we have the HDMI port, we have the USB-C charging port here, we have two USB 3.0 ports here, we have the SD card slot here and the micro SD card slot here, and the USB-C port that goes to the computer or phone or whatever device you would like to use it. And the good thing about this adapter is that if you have a USB-C to USB-A adapter, you can also use it on a computer with a standard USB port. Of course, the HDMI will not work in that case. For that, you need to have a USB-C compatible with how it is called, DisplayPort alternate mode. You have to have that functionality in your PC. So yeah, this is the dock, and packaging wise, it's really simple. We have the dock here, we have the another rubber band here to change it, and we have the USB-C cable here. So that's pretty much concludes this unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like this video, comment on it, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.